Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 5 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition, chapter number 15, simple present and simple past. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, okay, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist sections and also watch. So here look at the sentences given below. They are a mixture of simple present and simple past. Okay, so here look at the first sentence. These girls play hockey. So you know here play, this is simple present. Okay, they learnt the game at the hockey institute. So here learnt simple past. Then next, I knew how to play tennis. So you know here knew V2, that means second form of the verb. This is past tense. I don't play it anymore. So you know here this is the negative structure of simple present. I don't play. Then in the next sentence, I want to play both chess and hockey. So you know here want, simple present. I practice both the games. So here again simple present tense. Okay. My parents were athletes. So you know here were simple past. Then next, they own many hours. So here this is also simple past. Clear? So put the verbs from each sentence in the two columns. Okay, so you have to use the above verbs in this column. So here present. Okay. So you know present here in the first sentence play. You have to write here play. Then next you know learnt. Okay, learnt you know past tense. Past of learn. Okay, so you have to write here learnt. Then next I knew. So you know knew here simple past. So you have to put in the past column. I don't play. So you know here play. You have to write in the present column. I want to play. So you know here want. Okay, here want. You have to write here. Okay, in the present column. I practice. So you know practice is also simple present. Then next my parents were. So you know we are simple past. So you have to write here. Okay, in the past column. They own. So you know own simple past. You have to write in the past column. Clear? Then next here, complete the sentences below using the simple present tense correctly. After each sentence, mention if it is a routine or a fact one has been done for you. So here, Rahim, what do you usually do on weekends? So you know here do is a simple present you know, and this is used to know to represent a routine. Routine. See, I usually go swimming. Okay, so you know go. This is used no to indicate the routine activities. Rahim, I know a girl called Radhika. So no, it is fact, indicate a fact. She also likes to swim. So swim a lot. She likes this is also fact. The next, Sid, I don't know this girl. So don't know, you have to write, you have to use the negative form. Just look at this here, not know. Okay, so I don't know this girl. This is fact. Rahim, she lives near the railway station now. Okay, so this is fact. Okay, lives. She work at a bank. This is routine. Okay, she works at a bank. This is routine. The next seed, I want to meet her. I want. So here want. This is fact. Clear? Then next here, form negative sentences and yes no questions from the sentences given below. So here this dress is for the party. You have to first change into negative. Okay, this dress is not. So here you have to add not here. Then you have to also change into yes no. Is the dress for the party? Okay, is. You have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Then next, he goes to the park. He okay, so you have to change into negative. He does not go. Okay, he does not go to the park. Then yes no, does he go to the park? Okay, put question mark. Then next, she watches Hollywood movies. She does not watch. Okay, she does not. This is the negative. Okay, yes no, does she watch? The structure of negative of simple present, subject plus do, okay, or does plus not, okay, plus V1. And yes no, the structure of yes no, do or does plus subject plus V1. Clear? So does she watch Hollywood movies? So you have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Then next here, they eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Okay, so first you have to change into negative. They don't eat. Okay. Then next, yes, no. Do they eat? Clear? Then next, the boxing champion comes from Punjab. So you know this is simple present. Okay, the boxing champion does not come. Okay, does not come from Punjab. Yes, no. Does the boxing champion come from Punjab? Okay, come here does. Then next, Mr. Arora cleans his house every day. So you know negative. Mr. Arora doesn't clean. Okay, doesn't clean his house every day. Does Mr. Arora, okay, clean his house every day? Clear? Then next here, make double H questions using the sentence below. So here he sings. What does he do? Okay, or you can also write what does he sing? Okay. Then next, they play. What do they do, or what do they play? Clear? Then next, you dance. What do you do? Then next, children cry. What do the children do? Birds fly. What do the birds do? The baby smiles. What does the baby do? So here reverse flow. So you can also write here. Okay, where do the reverse flow? As you know, there is no extra information is given. So you can also write, okay, what do the rivers do? Okay, what do the rivers do? So like in the next sentence here, the sun rises. So you can also mention here where does the sun rise, when does the sun rise. The sun rises in the east. So there is no extra information is given. So you can also use what or where or when. Okay. So when does the sun rise? You can also write here when does the sun rise. You can also write where does the sun rise. Where does the sun rise? Clear? So similarly, birds fly. Where do the birds fly? Okay. So you can use what, where or when. As you know, there is no extra information is given. He sings a song. What does he sing? They play cricket. What do they play? So you know there is no extra information is given. You dance in the hall. Where do you dance? Clear? Then next here, frame negative sentences, yes, no and double H questions for each of the sentences below. So here, Meena got a prize. You know this is simple past. Okay, to make the simple past into negative, we use did plus not plus V1. Okay. So here, Meena got a prize. Meena didn't get a prize. Did Meena get a prize? What did Meena get? The next year, they came from Jalandhar. They did not come from. Okay. Look at the structure here. Did plus not plus V1. They didn't come from Jalandhar. Then yes, no, you know, did plus subject plus V1. Okay. Did plus subject plus V1. Did they come from Jalandhar? You have to use question mark. Then next, where did they come from? Okay, where did they come from? As you know, there is a place, adverb of place is mentioned, so you have to use here, where did they come from? Clear? Then next here, Shivani called me. Shivani didn't call me. Didn't negative. Then yes, no, did Shivani call me? Double H question, you know, whom did Shivani call? Okay, whom did Shivani call? Clear? The concert began. The concert didn't begin. Did the concert begin? This is just no. Then double H, you know, when did the concert begin? Then next, the boy laughed. The boy didn't laugh. Did the boy laugh? What did the boy do? Okay. Then next, the tiger roared. You know negative, the tiger did not roar. Okay, didn't. Yes, no, you know, did the tiger roar? Okay, did the tiger roar? Then you know double H, what did the tiger do? What did the tiger do? Question mark. Then next, the aeroplane flew. The aeroplane did not fly. Did the aeroplane fly? What did the aeroplane do? Or you can also write, where did the aeroplane fly? When did the aeroplane fly? Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.